Well, the internet is basically like the biggest network in the world because it's a special type of one. It's a worldwide one, and anyone with a broadband connection and internet connection can access it, and it goes through public telephone line and via this is an ISP is contacted, and other computers on the internet can be classified as either like servers, clients or servers. Clients are the ones who use the servers, and servers are the ones who provide internet. And the client computer is able to access the worldwide internet to ask for information, which the web server can provide, which is a site can provide. An extranet then is another type of internet, as we mentioned earlier, and it consists of being able to access an internet from outside the company. It can be used for external training for possible new employees, to access information from the internet from home, or for employees to work from home as well. And then we have email facilities, which is basically the most common way of communication through the internet, and it's like a letter sent through the internet, and you can attach messages, documents, photos, etc. And it's more popular to postal services because it's quicker, it's cheaper, and it's immediate, and you can get immediate response as well. It's not as simultaneous as instant messaging, but it can work as well. And basically you can send a message and it's sent to the ISP address, and it pushes in its mailbox within the ISP address, and when the recipient next logs on, they will have the message there, and each account is attached to the IP address, and so the email can know how to forward emails or locate emails that have been sent particularly.
Then we have business networks. The ones are used by business to connect the lands together and to access to the internet. This is the business tolerate the volume of data between branches that is less than within their internal offices, and they use VPNs. This is virtual private networks. It's not a physical private network, but it uses another one to transmit data. The data remains encrypted and whilst its journey, and it is only decrypted at the destination computer. This is called tunneling, and it uses secure means to tunnel the data and to an accessible network. The security employed for this consists of firewalls, encryption, the use of IP security, and an authentication, authorization, and accounting server. Then we have video conferencing. It means that there is communication between two people, between two or more different locations at the same time. For this to take place, hardware such as small cameras or webcams, computer monitors, microphones are needed. The communication can take place using a LAN for internal conferences, or through a WAN in internet. Video conferencing is covered more in another section, but this is what we need to know.
In this unit, we don't talk about massive call centers like the ones we talk about in chapter 2, but this is more call centers employing people to call from home and stuff. And basically, the call server distributes a call to an available operator connected to the one, and voice over IP, VoIP, is employed to transfer the call, and then software is used to computer telephone integration software is used to work from home, as in it enables the computer to gain all the features for the telephony service, as you can identify the number dialed on your screen and all the details relevant towards your operator or system about the caller, and account details in case of bank call center, for example. And then online booking, shopping, and banking systems we talked about before also, and it's also part of a one in a way, and each user gains access from the internet from their own PC to their internet to the services from the internet from their own PC, and it's unlikely that the server is based on each computer, as it's usually in the server, and then you log onto it, and each data packet that is transmitted, it's heavily encrypted as it goes through the internet, and it's not for it to be stolen, and that's basically how it works. And the server will also have a firewall to provide extra security.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.